What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, man. Real quick, if you got a freaking Ford Transit, you want to change the battery, you didn't know how to do it, where it's at, well, big news is the freaking battery is under the seat, and guess what? You have to take the whole freaking seat out. You got two bolts here, all right, that you have to take off, right? One here, and you got four bolts. One here, one over there, one back there, and one on the other side. So four of them. So you gotta take the whole freaking seat out, man, to change a freaking battery. So yes, that's what I'm doing right now. Now let's see how the freaking process goes. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy that you have to do all that just to change the freaking battery. Whoever come up with that idea to place the freaking battery under the seat, that you have to take the whole freaking seat out to change the battery, it's a freaking moron, man. Yep, it's a freaking moron, because there ain't no freaking way. And guess what? I had to buy this little piece of shit for like $7. $7 I have to buy this little piece of shit. Not the wrench. Not the wrench. This. Only this. $7. Stupid. But hey, I had to take it out because I need it. So, yeah. So when you need something, I guess you gotta spend the money. So take those buds out. Put them here. Take them bolts off. Plus the battery gonna cost me around $300. Get this out too. It's four of them, so we gotta get all four out, right? And then we can get to the freaking battery. Great. What a genius! Whoever come up with that crap. What a genius! So fucking genius, man. So fucking genius. We got two other bolts here. Okay, and the last one right here. Now, if you come to AutoZone, wherever you go, you're not gonna change the battery for you because it's too much, you know. Now, don't tell me I gotta take the freaking seatbelt. But so you basically pull the chair. Put the chair that way. Let's put the chair a little bit up. Alright, so that's how you get to the freaking battery. So now we got them little bolts. Oh, I got something for it. Too small. This might work. Don't work. This is something. Get these out. Okay, I don't know where that came from, but obviously it was somewhere. I don't know where it came from, but it was somewhere. So basically, guys, this is how you do it. That's how you get to the battery. Now, I have to find a way to make that, there you go, so that you can stay like this. So yeah, this is how you get to the freaking battery. Oh, it's 2 of them? What? It's fucking 2 battery? No fucking way. No fucking way. No fucking way. 2 batteries? Alright. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. No way.